Sister, so somebody has finally picked you. Kora na Chineke aka. Now, wepụ aka n'ukwu ya. Ogolimaro vidia ana mekoro abu Chineke. Are you just waiting? Are you just waiting? Chineke mewo yeze. Asimu ogolimaro vidia ndi mmadu ekwe. Sinochi abu Chineke. Mogana waka bolande chatara hezi wado undebele godo Chineke mewo yeze. You engage her here. Two of you have agreed to marry. Huh?
Yes, sir.
You met him here. But it's Zion here. Huh? Yes, wonderful. They said they don't want to pray again. They are already engaged. Look at the ring the boy has given her. Where is the ring? Oh, which state do you come from? Where? Imo State. Oh.
Yes.
Jam your hands together for Holy Ghost. Engagement will take place here. The next 2 months we are going to do this program. If two of you has finalized, you can now come with a ring to engage the person. By next month or next 2 months, we are going to still repeat single. I want all of you to marry before December. Which state?
Anambra.
Where?
Imo State.
Gareba. Which state?
Imo State.
Which state?
Abia State.
Imo State.
Which state?
Imo State.
Enugu State.
Ole onye nke gị? Huh? Where is your own?
Yes.
Why is your eyes here? Which state do you come from?
Abia State.
Where?
Abia State.
Abia. Two of you met yourself here. Huh?
Yes, sir.
What time? Wonderful. What Zion produce is too much. Nagaba. What state do you come from?
Enugu State.
Where?
Delta State.
Delta. What part of Delta?
Abo, President.
Abo. Here. Where do you come from?
Imo State.
Where?
Imo State.
You met yourself here. Go there. Where do you met yourself? Huh?
Yeah.
Dina Winnie Kamarama. Which state do you come from?
Anambra.
Anambra State.